For the third part, last part of your exam is about solving quadratic equation by extracting the square roots. For the first given, say for example, y squared is equal to 169. Pareho ni sa inyo AS na exercises number 1. So very easy ra na siya. Extract directly the square root of both terms sa left and right side of the equation. So in this case, we have square root of y squared is equal to take the square root of the right side sa ato ang equation na si 169. So, first, the square root of y squared again is directly equal to y. Kaya imo siyang multiply si y sa iyang kaugalingon mo equal na siya y squared. Or, again, if ang radicand na power of 2, ma-eliminate or ma-cancel na siya. Then, the other side equals. Mangita ka og number nga i-multiply nimo sa iyang kaugalingon mahimong 169. So, naatay 13. 13 times 13 is 169. And again, since we are referring to square roots, that means duha ang sign diha, positive and negative sign. Then, encircle your final answer. Okay na siya. Pwede na og dili nimo i-separate ang y equals positive 13, y equals negative 13. Basta narin niyo siya nga both signs positive, negative. Okay na siya. For number 2, what if the given equation is like this? 3 times the quantity of x plus 5 to the power of 2 equals 108. First, since naman tayo prime number here 3, kaya natin siyang i-eliminate before tayo makakuha sa square root both sides of the equation. So, to eliminate the constant 3 sa left side of the equation, divide both sides by 3, left and right side. Bali ng equal sign din. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, mahimo siya imaginary 1 here and also here sa denominator. So, ang mabilihin, kari na lang binomial si x plus 5 to the power of 2 equals, dito sa pikas 108 divided by 3. So, pila man si 108 divided by 3? 3 times 3, 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So, 108 divided by 3 is 36. So, na-simplify na nimo. Nakuha na nimo ang prime number. Pwede na ta makakuha sa square root both sides of the equation because they are now both perfect square. So, rewrite, we have square root of x plus 5 to the power of 2 equals the right side square root of 36. So, again, if ang radicand or ang value nga under sa radical sign na power of 2, you can cancel it out, kani, and also here. So, ang mabili na lang is ang base jud mismo si x plus 5 equals the other side. Since magkuha naman pa sa iyang square root, ayaw kalipti ang positive and negative sign, then, unsa nga number ang i-times sa iyang kaugalingon mahimo 36. That is 6 because 6 times 6 is 36. Next is, since ang variable x na to nga unknown, mo yatang gipangitaan og root or solution na ikauban nga constant term si positive 5, then wala pa tay final answer. Hinahanglan na nato siya nga sa left side ang mabili na lang is ang variable mismo nga si x. Since naman siya kauban nga positive 5, then ato siyang i-transpose to the other side or i-transfer applying the subtraction property of equality. So, mahimo siyang x equals si positive 5, transfer to the other side, mahimong from positive, mahimong negative 5. Then, sumpay, we have plus minus 6. And then, since duha man siya ka-value, positive o negative, ato siyang separate para makuha na ta ang exact and simplified root, duha ka buok. So, the other side, left side, copy x equals negative 5, then take first the positive root sa 36 kanina. So, we have plus 6. Sa pika side, x equals, following the same equation, negative 5, copy negative 5. Then this time, humana naman ka sa positive root, ganina yung ikuha, ari na po ka sa ikaduha nga si negative. Negative 6. -6. Then simplify, applying the rule of combining positive and negative integers. -5 plus 6, different man ang sign, so mag-minus ka. Following the positive sign, kaya mas dako mas si 6 nga may positive sign. So, positive ni siya, ayon isuot ang positive sign, make it imaginary na. Then, subtract, kaya again, different signs sila, negative or positive. Then, 6 minus 5, that is 1. So, the final answer sa first root is positive 1. And then the other root sa PICAS, x equals, check the sign, negative, negative. Same sign. So, sa rule sa combining positive and negative integers, basta same sign, copy the sign, then add. So, copy the negative sign. And kung mo positive ka nga, both negative man. So, copy the negative sign, then add the numbers 5 and 6, that is 11. So, the second root is -11.